little artists! Today we're drawing one of the brightest and most energetic heroes from K-pop demon hunters, Zoey. Zoey is a spark of joy wherever she goes. When she dances, she shines. When she sings, she makes her whole team smile. And today, you are the artist who brings her to life. Let me tell you a little story. On stage, Zoey always says something special. One line can change everything. That means every drawing begins with courage. And your courage starts right now. Grab your pencils, relax your hand, and gently follow my lines. Don't rush. Your drawing will grow with every stroke. One line leads to the next, like little stepping stones for your imagination. And when it's time to color, choose any colors you love. Bright colors, soft colors, pastel colors. Everything looks amazing on Zoey because this is your Zoey, your art, your world. And we're finished! Your Zoey looks incredible! If you had fun today, don't forget to like this video. It makes me super happy. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss more K-pop Demon Hunters drawings. You can find Jinu, Abby, Baby Saja, Romance Saja, and Mystery Saja all waiting for you in my channel playlist. So keep your pencils ready, because more magical drawings are coming your way. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!